Namaste to my viewers. In this video, we will learn about addition operator, input function, and about some common errors that we come across while coding in Python on Jupyter Notebook. So let's begin. First of all, we will discuss about addition operators. So these operators are used to add integers, floats, or they're even used to combine strings with each other. Let's start off with some examples. Here I have one integer 3 and another integer 5. After putting the addition operator and running the cell, I get this result. Let's take some float values. Now let's take the example of strings. Here this is one string and this is another string. After putting the addition operator in between, let's check the output. Yeah. So here we are again using the addition operator. This is first string and this is the second string. Addition operator can work fine with variables as well. So let's take a variable. Its name is num. Let's take some string. This is one variable, s underscore name. And this is another variable. Let's take another example. Now let's understand about the input function. So input function are basically used to take data from the user and print it in the form of result. So let's take up a few examples. Here we have a print statement. You see the result? Let's take another example. So you can see the result. Let's take another example. So in this case, you wouldn't have to type the print statement separately. It takes comparatively a little bit of less time. Always remember that the input function is the data type of the input function is a string. You can check the data type here. You see, it's a string. Now let's come to our last topic, which is errors. I will directly come to examples. So the first one is it is showing an error, and the name of this error is name error. Why it is showing an error? Because we have capitalized the first letter of the word of the keyword print. To make this to run this cell perfectly, we have to keep all the letters in of the keyword print in small like this. Even this is a name error because there is no keyword called prempt. Let's take another example. This is also a name error. Why? Because we have capitalized the letters of our variable. The names of the variable are case sensitive. So to run this cell, we have to keep the letters of the variables in small like this. Then it is working fine. It is also an error, and it is a syntax error. Why? Because on the left hand side we have a double quote, and on the right hand side we have a single quote. This is also a syntax error because we have not completed the parenthesis here. Let's take another example. It is a type error. Why it is showing an error? Because this is a string and this is a integer. We can't add strings and integers. We can only add strings with strings only, and we can only add integers with integers only. So to run this cell, we have to convert the integer into string. Now it is working fine. Even this is not going to work. It is a type error. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.